Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from Mobile India Congress 2025. And today I have Jitendra sir with me from HashStudioz. Hello sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm good, so thank you. So can you brief me about your company and how you started?
So we started this company in 2018. We started with blockchain. Then we later added IoT expertise. We do design, development, and manufacturing of IoT devices. We are displaying our products here, which are IoT gateways, media converter, routers. We do custom development. Later on, we added expertise in DevOps, cloud, and recently we acquired a company. Its name is Maxify Digital. With that, we have added Salesforce as one of the expertise.
That's great, sir. So what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
At this event, we are displaying IoT products which we have designed. So we sell these products to industry. So they use in different industrial automations, kind of solar industry, water industry, manufacturing industry. So we are all about IoT industry here.
That's nice. So are you dealing in any international markets, and in what ways?
So we have multiple customers. We have a multiple division. Like private technology is one of our division. There we are working with multiple US based customers. So if you know, this is a Priceline.com, Booking.com you would have been using. So that is our customer. So
that's nice.
We have not directly, but we are working with Amazon MGM, which is a Amazon Prime. So we are a Salesforce partner for Amazon MGM through one of the vendor.
That's great, sir. So how are the products of your company different from other competitors in the market?
So what challenge we have accepted is that we are trying to give the price which is given by generally Chinese suppliers. So I'll talk about one of our product. So this product costs at around in a range of 1500 rupees, which we are giving to the system integrator. The procurement cost from the China is same and the quality is similar. So we challenge it to replace Chinese product with Indian product.
That's great, sir. So what are your plans to basically expand your offerings?
So currently we are offering gateways, routers, and media converters. So there are 2 or 3 products which are in pipeline. So one is we have started creating some extension arms for Raspberry Pi, Jetson Nano, which are generally used in AI products. So those heads we are manufacturing, which we will be launching in another 2 months.
That's great, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your time.
Thank you very
much. Thank you.